Hello.
It's
Welcome.
really cold.
It's really, really cold.
I think it's -3.
It's -3.
But it feels like -30.
It was the beast from the east.
The beast from the east.
Which is basically a lot of snow and crap and cold weather coming from Russia. Which is nice. Thanks for that, Russia. The current state of the garage is, I'm going to update you now, this is what it looks like. This is what it is. So we got rid of all the what did I just stand on? Oh, got rid of the flooring. It's out in the X5. X5 was useful, I'm glad we got that. And then we cleared up the trash bags that were on the floor, and everything here is just junk we need to sort through. And now we can put the shelves up. We did actually get some snow in the garage, which has meant it has wet this, but it's fine, that could be the back, it doesn't matter. And we've got snow all over them for having those doors open. Another thing I want to get done today is properly set up this Chromecast audio and the speakers just so I can get them working, and then I can justify the fact to get some more speakers and set them up and, you know, see if they're actually any good, because at the minute, I'm not too sure. They're okay, from what I've heard, but that was in a shock. To get them working, I need to set up a wireless extender again. We've got to use these again, but this is going to be just for the garage, so it doesn't really matter. Plug it in there. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Connect to the internet. And are you on you on the longboard? The one that I brought from LA.
Yep.
And I fell off. But yeah, connect the Chromecast and then boom, we should be good to go. So that's the plan for today. Right now, shelves, internet, Wi-Fi, and yeah. I think it's set up now. I just pressed the button and it kind of said it was ready, so let's find out, shall we? Okay, and then I press the cast button in garage and hope that it's not on full blast. That's only one of the speakers as well. We have this one to plug in yet. But as said, I want to get another set of them at the other end. So I might not need it because it sounds pretty good, but it would be nice to have the. I'm talking to Meadow, by the way. She stood there.
I'm over here. I'm cold. And we're mostly done. It's not finished, but it's cleared out and it's got room for probably both cars. I mean, we have to do cable management. I want to get rid of the chandelier. I want to mount the radio. It's going to be like a constant project, but it's finished. Basically, we've done the bulk of it.
We've done the bulk of it. This I need to still organise a little bit. I'm not 100% about this. The speakers, as I said, need to go up, so I need to sort that out. But mostly done. So let's see if both vehicles can fit in here. Because I know the X5 is big, but the wheelbase is much shorter than the RCF, and I know that fits. As I was saying, it's really, really cold out here. It's like currently feeling like it's -13, I think -11, something like that. But the snow is not like, it's not snow, it's like frozen rain almost. It's really like fluffy. It's really weird, hard to describe. But as I said, we need to fit both cars in here because the water fluid jets are currently frozen on that car, and I don't want the Lexus to sit outside if I'm putting that inside, so let's get them inside. Okay, well it's in, but obviously this side we have the shelf, so we can't really fit it past that point, which is quite annoying. But if we did really want to fit it under there, we could definitely take this down, but don't need to, and organise this a little bit more, and the tyres, and we'll be able to fit it in, but because the front, as you'll be able to see, sticks out a little. I mean, it might close,
Can we
but...
try it?
Give it a go, go on. No, stop. No, yeah, that's gonna hit. But yeah, that's not gonna fit. But it's an SUV. It's supposed to be outside.
It's okay, it'll be
It's supposed to be outside. Mainly, I've said, there's gonna be another car that'll eventually go there, which you'll see, it's gonna be a little bit smaller than an X5.
Are you sure?
It's just a little bit.
Is it shorter?
I think so. Alright, I think it's time to go inside now. As you can see.
It's definitely time to go inside.
I said if we need to fit the car in, we can remove the shelf, but I kind of like the shelf, and it's an SUV. It's supposed to be outside in the cold and horrible, but this fits fine. Look at it. It looks like a different color. This fits in fine, as you can see, and even with the heater, like set there on its legs, it was fine. But we're gonna mount it on the wall. Might make it a little bit higher. Might be quite cool. Anyway, I'm not this small. I just wanted to say a massive thank you to those that supported the, was it Just Giving?
Yeah, it was Just Giving.
Just Giving page for Mr. Ragabit, as you heard.
That was amazing.
It was awesome seeing all the great comments, and also for those that helped out giving some money. I think the last time I saw it was like 9,000 about. It was about 9,000.
That's
so
amazing.
That's awesome. Thanks for that. Well, since the last time I vlogged, which was yesterday, we've got a little bit more snow. It's still snowing. I'm gonna get inside very quickly. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Ah, brilliant. Okay, more snow has gotten inside the garage. That is a weather strip requirement. It's gonna happen. Oh, and you'll notice the first thing I wanted to show you, the chandelier is off. I took it out. I just pulled it. Not literally, it wasn't really that difficult. It just used like a two-way kind of adapter. So yeah, I just ripped it out for now. Significantly less snow on the Lexus. I actually had to take some off. There was still some on it today. But the garage has a couple of new things I wanted to do, to tell you about. Obviously, as I said, the chandelier is now gone. We've just now got the hue bulbs, which are actually different hue bulbs, which means, let me whip out the app. As you can see, we have the garage switch it off, boom, lights are off, and they're back on again. But they're the proper color bulbs, so if I really want to, I can go and change the color of the room. Yes, mate, we can have a proper disco in it. All right, I'm gonna put it back to what it was now. But the cool thing is that the warm light that we currently have, I can switch it if I want to a cooler light, which is perfect for a garage. Can you believe it's bloody done? The other good news is I have properly set up the Chromecast audio, and now I'm gonna set up my Google Home Mini that is basically redundant now. I was using it in the kitchen because it's a really cool device for, you know, everything. I was gonna use this for the kitchen. Annoyingly, every time we said something like set a timer for this, it would set the timer on the one in the living room. So I guess we don't really need both. So this is being designated to the garage. Let's plop her in, which means we need another one of these bad boys. Now I should be able to do something pretty magic, which is pretty nice. Hey Google, play Blow Your Load on Chromecast audio.
Alright, Blow from Google Play Music. Playing on Garage Speaker.
Dance.
Okay, that's not exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for a nice little Tyler song, but as you can see, that's going to be very useful. Hey Google, set a timer for 2 seconds.
2 seconds. Starting now.
And then hey Google, stop. Thank you very much. But that's going to be so useful for the garage for, like, I don't know, asking random questions, that sort of thing. I've had it kind of, as I said, it's been made redundant, so it's going to be nice. And hey Google, turn off the hue lights. I wonder if that actually works, because I don't think I've linked the two.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that.
Yeah,
yet.
she's not linked properly yet, but that's gonna be a thing. I can set the coloured lights, I can do it hands-free. It's amazing. I've also ordered the bits I need to expand the speaker setup so I can have one set this side, one set this side, playing the exact same thing. Everything is coming together and it is going to be nice. A couple of people asking about the design competition on the RCF. If you don't remember that video, I said make a design for the RCF and it's possibly going to go on there and give out prizes, that sort of thing. Still going on. Currently, as I said, I'm currently in the middle of trying to get this MOT'd and sorted because I had to go away for work the other day, so I couldn't get it done when it was supposed to be done. So now I'm going to wait until get that sorted, and then we're going to do the design competition stuff. I found a local shop that's going to look at doing the wrap stuff for me, which is sweet. So I'm going to be sending out prizes, including the new merch that is going to be dropping hopefully really soon. I've got some awesome stuff coming. I've been planning it out for the past while. There's loads of stuff coming, and it's a bit better than just black and white Black Panther merch. I tell you that. If you know the black and white Black Panther merch is going to stay there, just in case you really want to buy some, that would be nice. But I guess for the most part, this is the end of the garage series, if you will, because I'm not going to be doing anything major past this point. Just little bits that'll be included in normal vlogs. I am going to keep doing vlogs. Hopefully there's enough snow by tomorrow for me to do some stupid stuff once again in the X5. Try and find some stupid stuff to drive up that I shouldn't be able to drive up, but I can't because X5, it's an SUV. If it doesn't do it, it's going to be left there. Alright, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the vlogs, smash like, subscribe if you are new, and I'm off in a bit. Peace. I expected it to be a bit darker than that, if I'm honest. It's a good camera. The lights are reset.